Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about defining the size of an input element and defining other attributes, giving some restrictions so that according to the user input we are able to decide. So let's get started. First of all, I would want to define how the user gives an input and the size of the text box. So first, let's just keep programming and then just first the basics, the HTML body, then we would just say a heading that is define text box size, and then close the heading. Let's get straight to the form where we will get the input equals action page.php, then label, then we'll say, and so in this field we're defining age, and usually nobody would have a age which is um, more than 3 digits. Somebody can be 100 or something but not more than that. So, and I'm saying age, so out of 3 digits this will work well. Somebody can be 900 years old but they cannot be like more than that or something. So till 999 you have defined the limit. There's a text box size, though anyone can enter a field which is larger than that, but this is how this property works. I'll use it in another one as well, and then that will work fine. Yeah, this is text, and then id is equals to age, name is equals to age, size is equals to, I'm just keeping it to 3 for three figures, and then 2 breaks, and then the submit button. Value is equals to submit, and then form. HTML. Let's just take it all to the emulator and see how the output comes out. Click on run. Yeah, now you can see that the size of the age box is defined. It's not very big, it's like only it can contain 3 digits. So let me just type in 3 digits, click on submit. So your age is equals to 856. Now let me run it again, and again in the box let me type in. So you can see 3 digits are accommodated very well. Let me try to exceed that limit. So more numbers are also getting submitted, but the size of the box is small. So it's like you can give your user this kind of box accordingly. Text box has a larger size, but if you want to limit the user from entering more than that, so let's do the programming for that as well. For that, the only change that we need to do is we need to define maximum length. So in the same one, after size or before size, let's just define it before the size. Let's just say that it's going to be our maximum max length is equals to 3. So now the user cannot exceed it. In the previous example, the user was able to exceed it. Let's exceed the limit. So let's just go ahead and copy everything and go ahead and paste it. Click on run. Now you can see that same kind of text box is there, but it has a defined limit. So let's check if I can go ahead and So you can see even if I try to type, it's just taking 3 digits. It's not exceeding. The size of the box remains same, and then you click on submit, and this value gets submitted that age is equals to this much. So that's the difference between those two kind of boxes. It's just that you have to restrict the user. You don't want to restrict the user accordingly. So that's it for this video, and we'll keep talking about other kind of input attributes in the next